In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background video in Webflow. Start by opening your project in Webflow and making sure you are on the page where you want the background video to appear. It's a good idea to have a general layout in mind before you begin, because a background video usually works best as a full-width visual section near the top of a page, like a hero banner. Once your project is open, go to the Add panel. You can do that by pressing A on your keyboard or by clicking the plus icon on the left side of the Webflow designer. From there, drag a section element onto your canvas. This section will act as the container for your background video, so placing it first helps keep everything organized and easy to manage. Next, with the section selected, head over to the Style panel and set its height to 100 VH. That stands for 100% of the viewport height, which means the section will fill the entire browser window from top to bottom. This is especially useful if you want the video to create an immersive full-screen effect as soon as someone lands on the page. After that, return to the Add panel and look for the Media section inside that area. You will find the background video element. Drag that element directly into the section you just created. Placing it inside the section ensures the video stays contained within that specific area of your layout. Now select the background video element and adjust its size so it properly fills the space. Set the width to 100% and the height to 100 VH. This helps the video stretch across the full width of the section and match the full viewport height, creating a clean and consistent visual result. If your video has a wide aspect ratio, this setting usually helps it feel more natural as a background. To upload your video, double-click the background video element, or open the Element Settings panel. From there, upload your MP4 file and wait a few moments while Webflow processes it. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a little time, so be patient, and let the upload finish completely before moving on. And that's it. Thanks for watching.